Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I learned something important yesterday and I want to share it with you because it was my mistake, right? You know how sometimes you purchase an item and let's just say it comes with a little pouch or a little bag or something, and you think to yourself, I don't need this stinking little cheap bag or pouch, and you throw it away. Or for instance, I don't know, maybe you purchased a pannier bag or something for your e-bike and it came with a little rain cover, and you're thinking, I can't ride my e-bike in the rain, so why do I need this stupid little rain cover thingy? And you throw it away, right? Well, it didn't rain yesterday. It didn't rain at all, but I could have used the little rain cover that came with my bag. Let me show you. Okay, first of all, we went riding yesterday and it was really dusty. It was on a very dusty road, and you know, we put in a lot of miles and just trashed the bike. I got a lot of cleaning to do here now because there's just dust caked up all over. But that's to include my brand new bag. Yeah, it's not looking so brand new anymore, does it? I really trashed this thing yesterday, and I learned a valuable lesson. You know that little rain cover that they give you and you throw away? Well, luckily, I didn't throw mine away. I went digging around and I found it. And that could have been very helpful yesterday in keeping this bag clean. Now just imagine had I used this yesterday. Yeah, well, lesson learned. I'll know for the next one. Hey, if you enjoyed this little tip, give me a thumbs up if it was helpful. If you're new here, subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll see you in the next one.